Kazan. This is an ancient 1,000-year-old city embedded in the very heart of Russia's European part. It is a city of age-long traditions and customs, now boasting luscious green parks, spacious squares and wide avenues, a city of amiable and hospitable people. Kazan is Russia's third city in significance, the capital of the Republic of Tatarstan with a population of nearly 1.5 million people. It is wedged right in the middle between the west and the east, in the true sense of this expression, geographically speaking. The city's territory stretches over 425 square kilometers. Its residents are people of 100 different ethnic origins. The city is located 800 kilometers east of Moscow on the banks of the Volga River. On these Volga expanses, in the midst of forests and fields, the history of our people has been shaping for centuries, and the most vivid and significant events of the past unfolded. Due to its national location, the city has been endowed with the inimitable national and cultural coloring. For the whole world and for Russia, Kazan is a symbol of political stability, tolerance, peaceful and harmonious cohabitation of peoples, religions and cultures. It is a city that has been blessed with a rich cultural heritage, blending harmoniously Western and Oriental traditions. Each year, the Kazan Opera and Ballet Theatre hosts an opera festival dedicated to the famous Russian singer Fyodor Shaliapin. This is also the venue for the International Classical Ballet Festival in honor of Tatar-born dancer Rudolf Nureyev. The Republic's great concert hall, Tatarstan, featuring an organ that is considered to be one of the best in Europe, draws the best performers from Russia, Europe and all over the world. In 2005, Kazan lavishly celebrated its millennium, and the celebration became a major international event. Visitors to the city are impressed with the architectural ensemble of the Kazan Kremlin, which in the year 2000 became a UNESCO-appointed site of World Heritage. This is where Europe's largest mosque of Kul Sharif stands close to the Russian Orthodox Annunciation Cathedral. And quite recently, the city saw the long-awaited return of the famed miraculous icon of Kazan's Virgin Mother. The icon was obtained from Kazan in 1579 and has since served as a symbol of many of Russia's victories in battle. In the early 20th century, the icon went missing and was recovered only in 2005 with direct participation of Pope John II and eventually returned to Kazan. Today, Kazan plays a major role in political, economic and international life of the country, considered by right Russia's Oriental capital. The city has a developed transport infrastructure, including Kazan International Airport, capable of handling aircraft of any class. It also has one of the most attractive railway terminal stations in Russia and a large river port. The Kazan land has always valued strength and endurance, solidarity and will to win. The city's residents turn out en masse to participate in the annual Tatar national festivity called Sabantui, a seasonal land care feast which features, as its intrinsic part, athletic events culminating in national wrestling bouts for a top prize. Kazan is a unique city blending a multitude of cultural national traditions and setting an example of harmony and tolerance to the whole world. Kazan is always welcome to its guests and shows a blend of Oriental hospitality with European comfort. This is where Europe meets with Asia.